Worried you will lose your transaction history if you switch processors? Many business owners don't realize you can actually take it with you. Here is a quick way to protect your history. From your current processor, export payments as a CSV or Excel file and save it. That way, you will always have a full record of past transactions. This makes it easier to reconcile payments later and avoids the risk of losing valuable history. Switching processors doesn't have to mean starting from scratch. By exporting your payment history before you move, you will keep records for chargebacks, customer service, and accounting. It is a simple but important step that many business owners overlook. With EasyPay Direct, you don't have to handle the switch alone. Their team will guide you through the onboarding process, set up your new merchant account correctly, and help make sure you have what you need from your old provider. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. They also offer chargeback mitigation tools so your past records actually help prevent future disputes. If you're ready to change processors without losing your history, EasyPay Direct can make the transition smooth. You'll find the sign up link in the description whenever you are ready.